हैं इधर एक सपना लेके, एक ड्रीम लेके कि उनको भी एक्टिंग में जाना है, बॉलीवुड में जाना है, वो लोग के लिए इजी रहता है या फिर हार्ड रहता है यहाँ तक आने के लिए?
See, I feel like either you are an outsider or you are from India. It doesn't make it easier for you being Indian. I think it's hard for both of the people. It's just that being an outsider, you have a lot to catch on more than Indian people. You have the language to catch on more. You have the culture. You have the understanding of the industry. You have to catch on of like how it works, catch on the dance steps, catch on the vibe, the energy that Indian people are born with, you know. So I just feel that it's much more harder in the sense where they're already ahead of you naturally because they've been born in India, and you have to catch up on that. And once you reach that level, I think that working on the crafts, on the skills, dancing, diction, acting, Hindi, it's something that at the end of the day is common between an outsider and a non-outsider.
कई सारे आर्टिस्ट हैं जैसे कि अभी कैटरीना कैफ हो गई, नोरा फतेही हो गई, ये सब भी आउटसाइडर्स थे, लेकिन अब ये लोग का एक नाम हो गया इंडिया में। तो इसमें से कोई आपको जो सबसे ज़्यादा इंस्पायर करता है जो कि आउटसाइडर है?
I feel very inspired from Nora and Katrina because I feel that both of them have worked really hard. Like when I see Katrina in Doom, when I see her in Jigni Chameli, when I see her item songs back then, me being into dance, I can know how much hard work it required her to pull off such kind of performances. Same goes with Nora. Like I feel like she breaks her body in so many bones to be able to give us such performances and make our jaw like drop. And her being part of so many like movies recently, being the judge of the most watchable reality shows, just like makes me believe more in hard work and makes me believe more that if you have a vision, if you're focused, if you are determined and you don't listen to the noise and to the hate that people throw at you, you will make it, you know.
Even हमने आपका डांस देखा है और आपके कई सारे सॉन्ग के एल्बम्स भी आ चुके हैं, लेकिन अब तक आप किसी रियलिटी शो में एज अ डांसर नहीं गए। तो अगर आपको मौका मिलता है या फिर झलक दिखला जा में जैसे कि रियलिटी शो में, तो आप जाना पसंद करेंगे?
Yeah, of course. It's one of the biggest reality shows that we have in India, and it's like one of the only shows, the only reality shows that shows a skill. It's not about your personality, but it's about a talent and about mehnat, and it's a show that I feel like might open so many doors for me in terms of performance and in terms of dancing. So yes, joining Jhalak Dikhla Ja would be something I would love to do.
इवन खतरों के खिलाड़ी से भी आपको काफ़ी ज़्यादा फेम मिला था और अभी फिर से खतरों के खिलाड़ी शुरू हो चुका है, तो उधर आपके कोई फ्रेंड्स होंगे या फिर जिससे आप ज़्यादा क्लोज होगी, ऐसा कोई है आपके फ्रेंड जिससे आप विशेष देना चाहेंगे?
I wish Asim Riaz all the best. I hope he wins this season because I know how much he has worked on his body mobility, flexibility, on his mental health. Also, we've like went to so many yoga classes, so I feel that he has put in so much hard work into his fitness journey, and this kind of format shows have come at the right moment to allow him to showcase all the hard work he have been putting in.
लेकिन अभी आसिम कहीं ना कहीं कंट्रोवर्सीज में पड़ रहे कि वो उनका किसी ना किसी से झगड़ा हो रहा है, शिल्पा शिंदे से भी उनका झगड़ा हुआ था। तो जैसे कि आपने बोला आप उनको पहले से ही जानते, तो पहले से ही उनका ऐसा बिहेवियर था या फिर कुछ अलग हो गया अभी?
I'm very surprised and I cannot like give you a full statement about this because I've not been there and I don't know what's the both sides of the story. But whenever I met him, he was pure gentleman, sweet, kind, nice, and I was always looking up to meeting him next, and nothing as such of him being like disrespectful or being short-tempered that I have seen.
Last message for your fans.
Love you guys. गाइस, मैं आपको बहुत प्यार करती हूँ. थैंक यू सो मच. बहुत शुक्रिया आपके सपोर्ट के लिए, प्यार के लिए. And I'm really looking forward to share my upcoming project with you and get your feedback, either positive or not positive. And I hope you get entertained down the years with whatever projects I am working on. And bye.